education is perceived as a place where children can develop according to their unique needs and potentialities. The purpose of education can be to develop every individual to their full potential. The understanding of the goals and means of educational socialism. Due to globalization, increased pressure on students in curricular activities. Removal of a certain percentage of students for improvisation of academics, usually practiced in social schools after 10th grade. Education encompasses teaching and learning specific skills, imparting of culture from generation to generation. Education means to draw out, that is facilitating realization of self potential and latent talents of an individual. The education of an individual human begins at birth and continues throughout life. Some believe that education begins even before birth, as evidenced by some parents playing music or reading to the baby in the womb in the hope that it will influence the child's development. For that purpose, some cassettes of music are in the market called Garbha Sanskar.
Primary education consists of the first year of formal, structured education that occur during childhood. It is generally begins when children are 4 to 8 years of age.
Secondary education starts during the 11 or 12 years of age, that is adolescence. Education for minors to the optional, selective and tertiary purpose is to prepare for either higher
Improvisation through writing activities, story building, group play, frame and create your most admirable character and animate it in your visualization. Through script, make your own society role. Writing skills help in writing answers in examinations also. So writing skill is very important. So improvisation in writing skill is helpful in examinations and for early teen.
Come on and give him a big hand. So you want to sing something for you? Jai Jai Maharashtra Maza. You know this song? Garza Maharashtra Maza. Come on, sing, Shahid. Sing. Yes, can you sing, children?
शार्दुल ऐका जण हां गुड 1 2 1 2 3 4 हां शार्दुल
Yes. Thank you. Okay.
शार्दुल म्हणायचं दादा बेटा म्हणायचं ना
Next contestant. Judges.
She's getting the full video shooting she's doing. Children, give her a big hand, please. more. The clapping is coming the video camera. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Next one, Mohit Sarda. He is winning the first place. Mohit's sister is standing proudly. Vishaka. I saw big hand. Give a big hand. Mommy, turn to mommy. Good man, turn to mommy. You are hiding your face. Sadhguru, you are hiding your face. Don't hide your face. Good man, you stand and give. Yes, that's right. Once again, children. Once again. Thank you. Second place goes to Manisha Poddar. Manisha Poddar. Mommy is there. I saw mommy. Papa. Yes, mommy is there. Manisha Poddar ma'am is there. Give her a big hand. Third place goes to Anjali Rana. Anjali Naksan. From second standard, again. Start.
Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, judges, and my dear friends. Dreaming at night I lie. Here I shadow from class first. We want to explore some snacks of my dreams of India in front of you. My India there, colorful gardens with lots of flowers and big trees, variety of cars designed by me, powerful bikes needed by me. I will dress up like Krish and I will get power to destroy bad elements so that they will not touch my garden. Mother says when I will grow up, you will become a doctor. Yes, I will study hard to fulfill a wish and I also fulfill my wish. A peaceful India is my dream. Thank you.
Nowadays, a family pattern is a nuclear family pattern. So, the buildings are built like that. A happy family, a sweet house. A happy family spend their quality time, not quantity time. Quality time with each other. How? Let's see. Here is one family spending their Importance of workshop. Workshops are for motivation, team building, and improving performance. It combines training, development, and involvement of children. It is helpful in the creation of initiatives, plans, process, and actions to achieve particular task or aim of life. Workshops are also great for breaking down barriers, improving communications inside and outside of children and their studies. For practical implementation, that is to see the effect of improvisation theatre on early teen group, I took help of Arya Vaishya Samaj Mahila Mandal for organizing this. On 12th January, I managed 80 kids for 4 hours. The response was so good that kids forget to eat their tiffins also. Next day, 13th January, the session was from 10 am to 5:30 pm with parents feedback session. For morning session, the faculty was from Chirag, Nagpur. Afternoon session was feedback for parents. The parents were present and get involved there. Organizers were very happy as it was for the first time in Chandrapur organizing such program, such workshop for kids. So they put request before me to make such activity for more days. Some parents gave their feedback in writing. For the assessment of questionnaire, here I observed the interest of parents in improv process and knowledge after the workshop is more worth. It was very interesting to see that every parent is ready to spend more time for their ward. After workshop, they got knowledge of improve process and are waiting for next session. They got positive effect on their ward. Likewise, before workshop, the situation is that majority of the people don't know about such process, but they are ready to accept such technique for betterment of their early teen group. Here I would like to conclude my dissertation with some matter as I want to explain in front of you. I studied improvisation theatre, drama and education. Also improv exercises, and also saw there is an impact of Western art and science which has positive effect of their advanced skills and inventions. In every field, work is with full of skills and everyone had to be awakened. Here are some feedback from parents who have attended my feedback session, and also their kid has attended the awareness workshop on this. To see the feedbacks of parents and result, I have taken workshop and before workshop and after workshop. Naturally, workshops are necessary for kids to explain the things that we want to convey them, but theoretically they get bored. So improvisation theatre helps in doing the matter interesting. Your kid need your sharp eye. Yes, special skills of the parents and a sharp eye, both mother and father, to transfer rough uncut stones we may see in kids, rough uncut stones to sparkling diamonds. If you want sparkling diamonds, You have to use a tool to cut rough uncut stones. Special skills and a sharp eye to transfer rough uncut stones to sparkling diamonds. At last, I want to conclude that parents should be involved in framing their kids' world of progress with the help of improv process. As contemporary Indian art scene has impact of Western culture, also an improvisation gives positive effect on community, which will give exposure to the children for realization of the need of education in their future life. Life is full of various roles and activities, and you can turn them gracefully with confidence, provided you know the art of living, which you can acquire by improvisation theatre. Then what is success? As per the Vinance Roche, realization of my potential. Whenever I feel that I have reached a certain level, I raise the ball higher. And this way, I continually strive to become the better person. So, success gives satisfaction and courage to land ahead of all and also to overcome the problems we face in day-to-day life. Thank you.